What comes to your mind when you hear the name Pagani? Do you think of carbon fiber, the attention to detail, the beautiful interiors, the performance and aerodynamic technology? To find the answers of why this car is one of the rarest, most expensive, and breathtaking, we must go to the core of the Pagani Huayra Roadster.
Hey, what's up everybody? Hope you're having a great day and welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel Obregon and today we'll be talking about the Pagani Huayra Roadster, such an iconic car because of its design and its history. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of the content that's gonna be going out. And also, don't forget to drop those comments down below. Now, let's get straight into the video. The Pagani Huayra Roadster was named Hypercar of the Year by Top Gear magazine in 2012. In 2017, this model reference was officially released at the Geneva Motor Show, with only 100 units being produced from 2017 to 2020 as part of the agreement with their engine supplier, Mercedes-AMG. This car is different from its predecessor, the Pagani Zonda. This model incorporates active aerodynamic elements, including an independent 4-flap system that allows it to change the weight of the front from the ground, with flaps located in the front of the car and in the rear. This system is managed by a control unit, passing on information about the car's speed, yaw rate, steering angle, lateral acceleration, and throttle position. This system also allows the car to prevent excessive body roll by raising the inside flaps and as an air brake by raising the rear flaps. Pagani is known for many things, such as their amazing in-house carbon fiber work, their beautiful interiors, and their attention to detail. Just to name a few, the word Roadster is engraved in the rims, bumper, inside door panels, dashboard, and even the speakers behind the seat. The overall appearance of the Huayra to the Huayra Roadster was changed, featuring a removable top, eyelid-like flaps that extended until the end of the rear lights, a new engine cover with vents for more efficient cooling, and a unique type of wheels specifically designed for this model. One more really interesting thing about the Pagani Huayra is the shape of the mirrors. Some might say that it's a teardrop, others might say that it's a soybean for whatever reason, but Mr. Pagani himself explained that the mirrors mimic the shape of a beautiful woman's eyes, which might also explain why the car looks like a Louis Vuitton bag. Now, let's get to the core of the Huayra. These car specs are as insane as the looks. With Mercedes-AMG's 6-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, this car produces a massive 756 horsepower and 730 pound-feet of torque, making a 0 to 60 flyby in just 3 seconds, with a top speed of 210 miles per hour, making it faster and 150 pounds lighter than the coupe version. Now, how can you get into a Pagani Huayra Roadster? Well, these cars are ranging from 2.4 million to 3 million, so if you get your hands in one of these cars, consider yourself very lucky. Thank you so much again for joining me for this car video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. In the comments down below, let me know which other car would you like me to review. To me, this car personally, this spec is just, it's a Pagani. I needed to share this with you. So I'm so glad I got the opportunity of seeing one. And the McLaren 765 video is almost like 900 views. So I'm sure we can get this video to 1,000. Make sure to share it with your friends. Make sure to give us a follow on Instagram at Daniel Obregon Productions. And we'll see you.